What are integers in Ruby? Ruby integers are uh, like the whole numbers. So whole numbers are integers. So whole numbers mean not in floats. Like if you have a decimal number, then it's not a integer. So whole number like 4, 5, 6. So these are whole numbers. Whole numbers are integers. And how does Ruby classify numbers? Well, in Ruby, we have integers and floats. So uh, Ruby has two types of numbers, and these are integers and floats. And floats have a decimal pointer, integers have a whole number. Which operator is used for exponential operation? So for exponential operation, we use star asterisk symbol, double asterisk symbol. So what it does is it is the square of, for example, 2 square 2 is is equal to 4. So it does a square operation. So and how does Ruby follow standard operations, order of operations? Yes. So parenthesis comes first. If you put anything inside of parenthesis, that will be executed first. Uh, thereafter, we have the exponential operation. Thereafter, we have the standard division, multiplication. Next, we have addition and subtraction. So this is like the standard operation, a standard order. And what does uh, x plus equal to 2 does? So what it does is it actually changes the x value. So for example, let's go here. If x equal to 2 and x plus equal to 2, what it does is it changes the x value and it references the uh, x value with the new result. So for now x will be 4. If you query for it again, we'll get x equal to 4. That's what it does. It it reassigns new result, new added result, the added result to x. Does x plus 2 change the value of x? No, it does not change. In this case, it does not change. Here it changes because we are referencing it with equal to sign. We are not referencing here with equal to sign, and it does not change. X plus 2. We just get the return value as 6, but x value stays the same, like x equal to 4 still. And if you want to like really like make a change, you can do like x equal to x plus 2. Then we'll have the similar like operation what we performed here. So now you can see now x value changes, x equal to 6. So yeah. Or do you check the class of an object? How do you check class of an object in Ruby? So you can check class objects class by like if you do x dot class, then you'll know that it's an integer class. So you just what you need to do, dot class. You need to use a dot notation. See like what is a dot notation? After after this variable name, if you do like a class method, if you call class method, then you will get the return of what class it is. So dot notation is used to call method on the variable. So variable or object. Okay. What does the next a method do? So next method, what next method does is it goes to the next number. So for example, if x equal to 6, x dot next will go to 7. So yes, if I do x dot next, it goes to 8, goes to next number. What does absolute do? So if you have a negative number, absolute will basically convert into a positive. So converts negative to positive. For example, minus 2 dot abs. We get we get 2. So yeah, and if you see what operations we can perform on uh, a number, you can perform addition, you can perform subtraction, you can perform division, you can perform multiplication, you can perform exponential operation. You can call next to call like to return the next number after 2, and you can do next dot next. The dot notation is used. Dot notation is used to call the method on an object. So yeah, you can reference this integer object to a variable, and now variable acts as an object now, so you can call next on variable itself. So yeah, that's all.